Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. I got to move my camera up a little. Thank you for listening today. Many of you come to me. You see me on the national news. I appreciate you. These are not infomercials about me. I'm trying to solve your problem. I was the IRS, so I speak to you, and I've been outside in private practice for 42 years, so you're kind of getting the best of both worlds. So my question that I was asked, let me read it from someone: what happens if you don't file your tax return? Well, there's probably about 20 million people out there who really need to listen to this, because this is what happens. So being a former IRS agent, I work these cases. I tell everyone in all my videos, IRS knows you haven't filed. If you haven't filed, IRS is going to catch up with you. Could be tomorrow, could be next week, maybe a year, maybe 2 years. The only problem is this is grinding on you. I know it's grinding on you because I have worked this job so long, and when people finally file, they go, oh my God, what a relief it was. I got these taxes filed. Most people are afraid what's going to happen. They're going to lose their house. They're going to lose they may have stock. They may have wages are going to be levied. There is a fear that people have to file their tax returns as to what's going to happen next. Well, first of all, I got to write that down. What's going to happen next? That's very good, right? What happens next? You have to know that. So IRS at some point is going to send a letter, and they're going to say, hey, where's your returns? You don't follow up on that, IRS is going to prepare your returns for you, and they're going to file single, and they're going to pay the most amount of money possible, and then they're going to go collect the IRS debt. They will send a whole series of letters, and the last couple are really bad letters, like the CP 504 and the LT 11, where there's a collection due process hearing. So the best thing that you want to do is you want to file before IRS files for you. Your case could be assigned to a revenue officer, where they will ask you to come in, if not summons you, give you a federal summons to come in. You don't want them going through your bank records. You don't want them going through all your life history. You don't want that. You only have to file the last 6 years. Make this easy on yourself. Find somebody like us or whoever who can reconstruct your returns, and it's easy to do. If you don't have records, your records are a mess, it's easy to go ahead and put those together. Anyway, if you need that, we can work out a deal with IRS if you owe debt, but you have to file. So IRS will send you a letter. Your case may go to a revenue officer, and or IRS just will prepare your return. You don't want either. File your return and get it over with. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, that's the best I can give you today, and it's truthful. Thank you. Give me a subscription. That's really big.